Mawungase udefine uthando, then I guess no.
Makumalo really looks very, very heartbroken, and she cannot even hide her emotions. You can tell there that, this woman, she really like feels like, what, I'm really trying to keep myself together here, but I just can't. I just can't. She's trying to be right with her answer, but the answer is just saying a lot. If you can define love, or however you want to define love to you, just like you asked me the question, define love and how you define life to yourself, maybe then I can answer. Well, the question was just simple, Makumalo. To you, how do you define love? And then, how you define love? Do you still love Umsombeni? The question was not about the director, but the question was about you. Do you love your husband? It's up to you how you define it, dear. But the question is, do you love your husband? Of which we did not get an answer for it. But we know, like Cushion News, we know Real Zaki News, we know the answer. We just wanted her to confirm the answer. Well, I really, 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 really be like, yeah, we really want to see more of Makumalo. Definitely.
Mbana ngasitholela impendulo yakhe according to ukuthi yena ulidefine ngokuthi yini uthando.
So basically, Makumalo is like, you know what? I'm leaving to you, the viewers, the audience. You decide. And we have decided. In our little corner here at Cushion News, we have decided the answers. And guys, I have just break it down to you guys. Uguti, if you're being asked, do you love your husband? Do you love your boyfriend? Do you love your partner? Whatever, if you love them and you feel at the moment, yeah, you love them, yeah, you'll say, yeah, definitely, with no hesitation, you get me. But now, if you're being asked and then you have to go in depth and be like, can you define love? Can you, yeah, are you still in love? You might be, but just maybe had at the moment. But anyway, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think she's still in love with Umtombeni or not? And yeah, guys, just let me know. I don't. I'm also confused, honestly.
Angimsoli ngokungilahla because iyona ndlela abona ngayo ukuthi kufanele kwenziwe.
It is so funny how always Umusam Selego will just, try also to be right and be like, I'm not really it's fine. Honestly, I'm not saying anything. Basically, would I? If Umakumalo thinks this is the way she needs to handle the matters, that is fine. Basically, this is what he is saying. And after Tombeni has been in and out of hospital, and the high blood pressure, everything, I also Segamane adds, it's fine. Anything, it's fine, because he really doesn't want to deal with, the fact of also thinking about her health, going in and out of hospital, and he just got a little baby now again. So I think he does maybe put those things into consideration, to say, not because maybe he doesn't want to fight, but maybe just putting those things into consideration. Makumalo seems really, really hurt though, and we don't also blame her as well.
The other thing, uMakhumalo is one wife, so babili ebesibambisene sakhisana.
It's funny because he remembers, and he does say that's the other thing. Oma Kumalo has been one wife or goddamn support who's been supporting him through it out. But I guess maybe should we ask ourselves ukuthi kuphi la khona kuhambe khona wrong? Like, if Makumalo, as he just confirmed, he's been that wife who has been supporting him, then the next question is, what did he do wrong for Makumalo to stop supporting him? Because definitely he might have done something. I don't think Makumalo can just wake up and say, you know what, I'm not going to support you anymore. When she was supporting him, all along. Yeah, so basically there are things that probably Umsombeni, the decisions that he took, and then he didn't think about Makumalo, and that have affected Umakumalo. And then we see the today Makumalo that we see who doesn't say anything because she's probably fed up.
Today ungambona ehambela phezulu enza zonke lezi zinto azenzayo. Lezo zinto zenziwe ukuthi mina ngiyivulile leyo mnyango.
konke
Oh my God. And then another one. And then another one. Like, if probably Umsolego has been the one to make, isn't this wrong? Or Umsolego has, like, if you basically wrong somebody, the least you can do is to apologize. But now, if you're gonna wrong somebody, and then now after you have wronged somebody, and you think that you're gonna have the ego and pride also to tell them, "Ukuthi, Aibo, when slow down, I have made you who you are," it's just another thing of which I think it should have been handled a little bit better, unless probably you are not realizing or seeing that you have wronged somebody, or maybe you have not wronged somebody at all. It's just them that they are in their mind or in their feelings thinking that they have been wronged, because at the end of the day, this is Isitembu, and we know it, guys. It is Isitembu. So Umselego is raising something here which we as viewers, we're gonna ask ourselves, and let me know what you guys think. Ukuthi, did Umthombeni make Umakhumalo? Do we have the Umakhumalo we have today in the public figure because of the husband, because of Umthombeni? And then you guys gonna let me know, because in the marriage, isn't it goes both ways? Isn't that what your responsibility or your role you should take as husband, and vice versa? But then again, we really want to know this one. We really want to know this one because Oma Kumalo, in one of her motivational talks, she raised something at it is very important to be independent, because guess what? If you're not independent, you cannot say anything, you cannot raise anything. The moment you start being independent and then you start talking for yourself, somebody gets scared. That's what she said. She said, "Nah, somebody chickens off." So is that what we're saying? Is the husband chickening off because the wife is independent? And also saying he's the one who made her independent. Yeah, guys, are men like feeling threatened because women are independent? Because yeah, honestly, hi.
kwenzeke sengihlala naye, but ukuthi kwenziwe uyena, I wouldn't say he made me.
He's just saying that I will not say he made me, because honestly, the woman feels like, Aibo, I've been putting pressure on my own here. Maybe you might have introduced a platform, but guess what? It just did not end there. Makumalonaya has brain, and also, guys, this thing of making somebody and making somebody, how do you guys say it? Have you been in a situation where you make maybe your boyfriend, you feel like you've made your boyfriend who they are today? What did you do? What did you contribute for you to say that? Have you been in a situation where you feel like you've made your girlfriend to be where they are? What did you do to be like, or contribute to that? Like, and how did that turn out to be? Because from what we see, because there's different like levels to it. Like, you get me? Like, you can get somebody because they have the potential themselves, and then you can introduce them to the platform, and now you're gonna say you made them. And then there's the levels, as I said, there's levels, and then there's somebody who you're gonna have to take them step by step, step by step, step by step. And yeah, definitely, let me know what has happened to you in your lifetime, like where you feel like, what, I have made this person. Because I know, honestly, sometimes we have, once in a while, we have supported our partners through hard times, and then maybe they leave us when they are good. When they had nothing, you were there for them, and all of those things, vice versa. And also, is it the same like in a married way, like where it is it is a marriage. Is it the same thing as well? Like you made somebody. She's just saying, I wouldn't say that he made me. Although, of course, maybe it happened after we were married, but I would not say he made me.
Khumalo ucabanga ukuthi ngimkhulu ungamkhohlwa umseleko. Into engenze ngibe mkhulu
Things Umakumalo, like we be saying things sometimes because we are in a happy mode or in a happy vibe. Just like we're seeing here on season 6, they're like, you know what? Let's just bring it back, like quotes. Not even the assumptions. Let's just quote. Like you gotta be careful, sometimes what you say. Like they say, be careful what you wish for is the same thing as be careful what you say. What you say can be used against you in the courts of law tomorrow. Yeah, so yeah, we see here Umakumalo was happy in a happy mode, and he really did say, would no, if you ever think or question or you see me being who I am, and that was season 6, don't forget Umsalego. But maybe she was saying it like season 6, not after season 6. And we've had a lot of seasons after season 6. I think she was saying it from season 1 to season 6. That yeah, do not forget this man, but not after season 6.
umseleko.
Anyway, people, it's always lovely to have you guys. And yes, guys, I like your engagement a lot. And it's really, really fun and nice. Let me guys what you guys know. And yeah, we always have to, tackle this situation every time and talk about these things. And yeah, see you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more. Bye.